Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into NinjaTools, a platform designed to replace multiple AI subscriptions by bringing writing, design, coding, music, and even video generation together under one roof. So, what can you actually do with NinjaTools? Writing and content creation. Generate blog posts, social content, YouTube descriptions, and even brainstorm ideas with GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, and more. Image generation. Create stunning AI visuals using the latest Stable Diffusion models. Video generation. Use Kling and LTX to create short AI videos right inside the platform. AI music. Need background tracks for content? Generate them on demand. Coding power. Write code in multiple languages, analyze Figma files, and even auto-generate API functions. Productivity boosts. Upload PDFs to chat with, compare AI model outputs, and access a handy prompt library. The real magic here is that you're not locked into one AI model. You can switch and compare outputs from different AI engines, all in the same workspace. Now let's talk about the deal. On AppSumo, NinjaTools starts at just $79 one time for Tier 1. That gets you 5,000 chat messages per month, 100 AI images, 50 music tracks, 50 PDF analyses, 35 AI videos. If you need more, higher tiers give you bigger limits, up to 100,000 chat messages, 1,500 images, and 315 videos per month. And like every AppSumo deal, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Overall, NinjaTools is shaping up to be one of the best budget-friendly all-in-one AI workspaces out there. If you want to test it out, I'll drop the AppSumo deal link down below. But grab it fast. Lifetime deals don't last forever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.